This is the other front door. If guests come in for dinner from Mountain Lake, walk over through the garden and come in this door, if they were chauffeured up, they'd open the door egress. And this is also where Mr. Buck had his office when he was in residence. He liked to listen to the radio, so he jacked out the tile floor and put in a wooden floor because of the acoustics. And he also is the only one that has a telephone.
And had what?
Telephone.
Oh.
He had a couple of full years there. He was the vice president of raw material procurement for Bethlehem Steel. And he was a chemist by training and graduate of Lehigh University. And he traveled the world, especially out, I guess you call it the world, but the Mediterranean, both sides, Africa, Europe, and South America, and Cuba, and Mexico. And in addition to getting the material, he also taught them how to make steel to Bethlehem specs. And then they could make the steel on site and then ship the finished product.
That's why he has all that steel.
I don't know.
Probably.
Well,
He's like, make me a singlet.
Yeah.
That could have been. Did he tell you about this thing? They still make that stuff.
Oh, wow.
It's used in marine applications or highly corrosive environments. It's 6 to 7% nickel.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty high. So,
That's heavy.
I think, yeah. Okay, here's the Rocha. Rocha is an Italian term for one that opens to the elements, but it's this would be like a modern day.
Oh wow, look at the door.
And the Bucks, when they lived here, they always had a perpetual bridge game going. And these doors open up for air circulation. And you can imagine they can spill out into the gardens or out onto the patio. And this is pretty much the way it was furnished back in those days.
Oh.
It's not all original, but it's the way it was. The little frog pond out there, fountain out there on the east patio, he found that in a warehouse in Havana, and it ended up here on his patio. So any questions?
How high would you say the ceilings are in here?
How high?
Yeah.
Would you say?
What, 12 foot? Yeah, that's good. I better find that out. But
I mean, it's like
do I look like I'm
church.
halfway up?
Yeah.
Okay, 12 foot.
Because I was looking at him, he's about 6 something.
Yeah.
I'm about 6'3".
Okay.
Well, it must be
Yeah,
12.6
so-
then.
Yeah.
Okay. The heating system in the house was oil-fired boiler in the basement, and it was convection heat. The cold air would go in the baseboard down here, and then there's heat pipes behind the wall, and then it would just come out because of the heat rising, and they refer to it as convection heat. The living room, music room. The living room is, I guess, you just wanted to have a little conversation. And the music room, wooden dance floor. And the pocket doors that open so you can slip out onto the lanais. And then behind that would be one garden. The piano, the significance of the piano is that it's a Steinway.
Like from a horror movie.
And it was Nellie Box,
I don't like
16th
that.
birthday present.
It reminds me of
And
horror
Nellie,
movies.
the significance of Nellie Bach, that's Ed Bach's daughter-in-law.
It's like,
And she was president of the board of trustees
Yeah, you
when they
can
acquired.
be dancing and with this dance.
Yeah, that's why she didn't want to give it up.
Oh.
This was 1970 when they bought the house. She passed away in '85, and her children approached.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my gosh.
And so here it is, it's
Yeah.
a Steinway, it still ticks, still works. Well, I never say, usually bring
They look
in
like
a,
news by Facebook. They are big.
The tapestry on the wall there came from his home from Buck's
Yes,
home
sir.
in Pennsylvania. And first we put it down as a carpet in his office. We realized that wasn't.
Stairs.
Follow this stairs. So we finally hung it up on the wall there. And again, that was a gift from somebody that knew the significance of it. Well, the tour continues up the stairway there. It's a real narrow stairway, so if you're a little bit claustrophobic or it looks too steep, you navigate back to the stairway there and you can go up the